What up, friends? Greetings from my village over here in Africa. And it's a Sunday today, so let me pan around. I'm sitting under my favorite tree, by the way. We're watching a soccer game. So in this video, I want to talk about setbacks in business and how most people handle setbacks. From my experience, most of the setbacks in my life, when I look back 25 years or even 30 years, most of the setbacks have been very temporary, meaning they've lasted like 6 months, sometimes even like a year. But for the most part, I've been able to recover from a lot of those setbacks. The purpose of these setbacks is so you can recalibrate, so you can rethink or repower or retool. Because what happens is this: business is all about cycles. There are times where business is great, the economy is amazing, and then comes a time when the economy is completely depressed. There will be situations that are beyond your control that will put these obstacles in your way, creating temporary setbacks. Unfortunately, most people, I'd say 99% of people, do not know how to deal with these temporary setbacks. They start to assume that these setbacks are permanent, so they behave as if it's the end. Let me tell you something, guys. It's never ever the end. When it comes to business, it's never ever the end. When you're met with a temporary setback, instead of you panicking, instead of you stressing out, you need to start asking yourself, what new skills can I learn? For example, right now, there are a lot of businesses that are struggling, that are going under. Not because of the economy, although the economy is not so good. Global economy is not so good right now because when you look at the cost of energy, because of the war that is going on in Iran, everything is being affected. A lot of businesses are being affected. But that's not the only thing that is happening. There's artificial intelligence that is happening that is disrupting a lot of businesses right now. A lot of people are going to be caught in this chaos. And this chaos, when the economy starts to shift to automations using artificial intelligence, and they haven't learned new skills. So instead of these setbacks being temporary, they end up really being permanent because the business owner panics and forgets to do what is necessary to stay afloat. What is necessary to stay afloat is asking the right questions and learning new skills. I hope you guys got some value from this video. If you're ready to take your business and your life to the next level and learn how to deal or how to handle any temporary setbacks that you experience in your life and in business, then schedule a call. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Schedule some time and you get to speak to me, and then I'll add you to my private membership group. Talk to you soon. If you run an HVAC, roofing, or plumbing business in the US, listen to this. Right now, you're probably stuck in the day-to-day calls, scheduling, follow-ups, admin chaos, and it's keeping you tied to your business. But what if your business could run without you? I help home service business owners automate their workflows using AI. From lead intake and booking to customer follow-ups to job management. So instead of working in your business 24/7, you can finally step back and live life on your terms. I'm talking about running your business remotely from a peaceful, lower cost of living country with more freedom and way less stress. And here's the shift you need to make in this new economy. Stop chasing low-ticket, price-sensitive customers and start positioning your services for high-net-worth clients. People who value speed, quality, and reliability and will gladly pay for it. Less volume, higher margins, better clients is what you deserve. If you want to turn your business into something that gives you time, location, and financial freedom, then let's talk. Schedule a call, invest in yourself. I'll also add you to my private membership group of other home service business kings that are already winning with this strategy.